friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. After many videos on free swags and goodies, in this video I am back with a very good opportunity where you are going to get lots of benefits, and this is also from a very big company, and this is from Internshala. Now Internshala is providing 80% discounts on their trainings. So after, if you going to do any type of courses from any type of platform, what you get? A certificate. And what they provide you videos which are pre-recorded. So here on Internshala you are going to get a certificate of training certification is given to you, and also there is a online support. Also some total 6 weeks courses are there, and they charges very less if you compare that with any type of educational platform. So I am going to show you all type of things which is available on Internshala now. So for that I am going to share my screen, but I firstly I request you all to watch this video full, because I think you all need to know how much you need to pay for a single course on Internshala, and you can compare with this with any other platform, because this is a very nice opportunity for you all to get a maximum discount. And one more thing special here is you can buy now, and if you want to complete that training after some time you can do, because this for the timing this is 80% off. After that you may doesn't get this type of discount offer on this type of courses. So if you want to purchase this now, you can purchase, and after that you can complete after any time. And if you want to join any other batch, not this batch which is running now, so you can join that. So this is the very special thing which is available on Internshala now, and you all need to join this, because this is a very nice opportunity. Now I am going to share my screen and I am going to show you what is available on this Internshala platform and how you can get maximum offer on this Internshala. So friends, here you can see this is an end of season sale on Internshala, where you are going to get flat 80% off on online trainings. So here you can see some most popular courses which you can see here. But firstly, I am just going to show you one thing. What is that? You can see any course here, and more than 48,365 students are already enrolled for this with placement assistance. This type of thing which is not available on any of the platform which you can see. They doesn't give you placement assistance. The Internshala can provide you placement assistance because they have a platform of Internshala where they provide a different type of placement opportunities. And if you complete here some trainings, they are this accomplishment directly add on your profile. So this is a very good thing which you can see on the Internshala trainings. So here I am going to show you all type of trainings. If you want to learn create and website from scratch, you can join this web development course, which is very good. And you can see here more than 50,000 enrollments are there on this total 6 weeks training. You are going to get placement assistance you get, and also learn full stack HTML, CSS, MySQL, PHP development, and build a e-commerce website from scratch. Means there is a project already included here. And how much you need to pay? Only 9.99 with 80% off. And this offer is available till 13th of June. So I doesn't think anyone can miss this, because for paying 9.99 you got a placement assistance which no platform can provide. Total 6 weeks long training, and also you can see the rating which is very good if you compare with any other resources. So here you can see different type of things also available: digital marketing, programming in Python, AutoCAD for the students who are want to design anything in 2D or 3D, advanced Excel, machine learning, Android app development, data science, programming with C and C++, and also financial modeling. So now I am going to show you one by one all the things which is available here. So this is a programming part, and here you going to get all the things which is related to programming. And I think Internshala is not going to miss any type of domain which is available for programming, and they doesn't give you any support or any courses on here. So now I'm going to show you all the courses which is for programming. You can see the course of Python, web development, ethical hacking, C++, Android app development, core Java course is there, React course is there, blockchain, Angular, art programming, GitHub, and also how to coding interviews. This course is also available, and you can show this. You can see here placement assistance available here also, and this is also an online training which you can bought from here, because for you doesn't get easily this type of placement type the questions which is asked you in coding interviews. You doesn't get easily for free. So here you can get by paying only 9.99, and you get many type of questions. Also they give you assistance if you get if you're stuck at any where, and also they give you of video tutorials and placement assistance. Also you can see different type of more courses, data structure and algorithm. This is a very good course, and I think you can see here it is 8 weeks long course. And also for this they only charge 9.99, means they only charge 9.99 for any of the training which you are going to take here, whether it is 8 weeks long, whether it is 6 weeks long. So you can see here different type of things. Node.js course is also available. After that, the courses for business and management, you can see here like Excel and beginner trading certification, how to start up, this type of courses there. Also course for Tally and SQL for data analytics are there. Next is core engineering courses, which is not available easily on any coding any platforms. You need to you get here AutoCAD is there, AutoCAD 3D is there, SolidWorks, Advanced SolidWorks, all sort of courses are here available, which you need to learn for if you are in a core branches just like mechanical engineering or you are in civil engineering. So you need to learn this type of things, and you got here. Also there is a course of Arduino which is related to robotics is there. And you can see here this is a beginner friendly course. One project is there, placement assistance, and also 54 videos, 6 weeks long, and one-to-one doubt solving. This type of things which is available for your assistance in this course. Next thing courses you can see here, data science, where they are going to cover Tableau, deep learning, also SES programming, statistics for data science, Power BI, and SQL for data analytics. Next courses are design, which you can see total 6 courses are there, and WordPress, digital art, animation, all sort of courses, video editing, all are available here. Creative arts courses are there, which is related to your creativity, creative writing, guitar, photography, calligraphy. Next is language courses there for French language. Career development courses are there, business communication skill, internship and job preparation, and how to ask coding interviews. So this type of courses which is needed for if you want to get any placement or any internship. So you need to make your profile and your body language. And for architecture I already show you this type of courses also available, and you can get this type of courses here. Job oriented specializations are here. In digital marketing also available, and also job oriented specialization in data science, both are available on this platform of Intenshala. And if you wants to know more about this specialization, you can go through, because this specialization is very important. This takes total 4 to 6 months to complete, and this is totally beginner friendly. 12 industry great projects are there, which makes your resume outstanding from any other students who are going to get who are competing you in that sector. And also industry recognized certificate is there. Total 9 courses available in this, and you can see here which type of assistance they are going to give. Quality intake and continuous assessments and different type of things. You can see here a dedicated course on acing data science interviews. All things is covered. Also you got a certificate of training from Internshala, and here they are going to give you certificate of specialization, which is very good. And also you can see what is going to cover in this specialization and how you can apply for this. All the things is available here. Who are the teachers? You can see the teachers from IIT Kanpur and IIT Bombay are there. So this is a very good, and the program fees is total 35,000. And also EMI option is there, so you can get all the things covered in this course of data analytics. So this type of things already available on Internshala, and you can go and apply for this, because now they are giving 84% off in different sort of courses. So you get maximum discount on any type of courses, and you can complete that, so that you can complete in minimum price, and quality of contents are very good. Here you can see. So this is whole in this Intenshala video. I am only wants to show you that 80% discounts are available on, because this is end of season sale, and they are going to give you 80% off. And if you if you want to purchase any type of course, you just go through link in the description and purchase that.